In this video, you'll learn how to enable location on Wecasa when your address isn't recognized by the geolocation system. By following these steps, you will ensure that your booking process goes smoothly and that your professional receives the necessary information to meet you at your location. Begin by opening the Wecasa application or website. If you are using the mobile app, locate the booking section on the home screen. On the website, navigate to the service you wish to book. This is where you will start the process of entering your address. Next, when prompted to enter your address, input a nearby address instead of your exact location. This could be a landmark or a business close to you. The system uses this address to initiate the booking process and show appropriate service pricing. This step is crucial as it helps the system recognize your general area for better service delivery. Once you have entered the nearby address, look for a comments box or additional information section on the booking page. In this box, you should include your real address along with any other important details. This ensures that your professional knows exactly where to meet you once the booking is confirmed. Make sure to include specific information that may help the professional locate you easily. This should include the entrance code or intercom information, your floor number, and any details about parking availability. Providing these details is essential as it minimizes confusion on the day of your appointment. After filling in the comments box, proceed with the booking as usual. The system may take a moment to process your information and confirm your appointment. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your booking was successful. Keep an eye on your email or notifications for this confirmation. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.